Choosing a crypto platform can be confusing, so let's compare Mudrex, CoinDCX, Binance, and Bittrex based on what actually matters: ease of use, features, and safety. Here's the simplest breakdown so you can pick the best one for you. Mudrex is perfect for beginners who want to invest in pre-made crypto portfolios. It's simple, safe, and has automatic strategies, but less freedom to trade individual coins. CoinDCX is great if you're in India. It has a clean interface, local support, and lets you start small. It supports many tokens, but fees can be a bit higher than global platforms. Binance is the biggest. You get the most features, lowest fees, and advanced trading tools. But it can be overwhelming for beginners and may face local restrictions depending on your country. Bittrex is more focused on security and offers a wide token selection. It's solid, but the interface feels outdated and it's lost popularity over time. Use Mudrex if you want automated investing. Pick CoinDCX if you're based in India and want easy access. Choose Binance for full control and low fees. Try Bittrex only if you care most about long-term security. This has been How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.